XRP drops 4% as Ripple releases $1.6 billion from Escrow account. Hey, welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. And in this video, we are going to be talking about XRP. What's up, XRP Army? You know what's going on. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know you guys are all winning out there. I am winning, and so are you. And if you are holding XRP and you have been for a while, you know you're winning. We've had a couple of days in a row where it's been coming back down a little bit, but we are going to jump into a great article to explain why we've had a little bit of a dip. We're also going to go ahead and jump into the charts. We're going to look at where it's going as far as the price goes. And then we're going to also look at the Vortex score so we can see what the momentum and what the ecosystem of XRP looks like. We'll get to the Vortex score at the end, so stick with me. Here we go. Ripple periodically sells XRP to keep the price of the token afloat. And this is the reason we're having a little bit of a pullback these last couple of days. So it's nothing to freak out about. We're going to go into a little bit more detail here, like I said, and then we'll look at the charts and see what we can see, because it did actually just hit a very, very, very relevant spot in the charts, which we'll cover here in just a couple minutes. So Ripple Labs just unlocked 1 billion XRP, just shy of $1.6 billion from its escrow wallet today, according to Whale Alert, a service that tracks the movement of large amounts of cryptocurrencies. XRP's price is also currently down 4.21% from yesterday, now trading at $1.57 per token. By the law of supply and demand, more XRP in circulation means less value for the token. Perhaps today's dips is to be expected. And then here you can actually see the current chart. We're at plus $1.50. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, a single entity controls the majority of the global XRP supply. This entity is Ripple Labs, the payments company set up by XRP's co-founders. To allay fears that it could one day dump the whole hoard of treasure onto the market, it held in escrow 55% of the total supply of the 100 billion tokens. Ripple Labs kept 20 billion, or 20%, for XRP creators. At the end of 2017, Ripple announced that it would be releasing the XRP it holds in escrow over a course of 55 months to control the price of the token. Ripple often returns most of the XRP it released from escrow right back into the escrow wallet. Last month, it returned 90%, or 900 million XRP tokens, into escrow. And they're no stranger to hot water. In December last year, Ripple was hit with a $1.3 billion lawsuit from the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC alleged that when Ripple sells these tokens, it's distributed them as securities that would be illegal, since the SEC hasn't given Ripple permission to sell securities. After the suit was announced, the price of XRP tanked. On December 17th, 2020, XRP was worth 66 cents. By New Year's, it had fallen to 23 cents, and even went down to 17 cents there for a little while, if you've been watching the charts with XRP for a long time. And Ripple's fortunes started to change at the beginning of last month, when the company won a discovery motion to expose the SEC's internal policies on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple's lawyers are combining the documents in question to work out if the SEC acted with prejudice. The same week, the XRP creators won a ruling to stop the SEC from disclosing 8 years worth of financial records from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and predecessor Chris Larsen. Now Ripple wants the court to dismiss the lawsuit entirely. So despite having been brought to the brink of ruin, XRP is fighting back. XRP Army, right? Even our commanders are strong, and by maintaining its positions as the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Now let's go take a look at the charts and the information on what's going on with the price. All right, XRP USDT. XRP turned down from the $1.66 and formed an inside day candlestick pattern on May 2nd, which was yesterday. That was followed by a doji candlestick pattern today, indicating indecision among the bulls and the bears. And as you can see right here, the bearish candlestick was on the 2nd, and then today had the doji stick there. But as you can see, the 20-day moving average and the 50 moving average are both sloping up. RSI is right at about 70. It's like 60, 65-ish in that territory. If the uncertainty resolves to the downside, XRP USD pair could correct to the 20-day EMA of $1.36, which is likely to act as a strong support. A strong rebound off of the 20-day EMA will suggest that traders are buying on dips. And if the bulls thrust the price above $1.66, the pair could rise to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level at $1.73, and then retest that 52-week high of $1.96. The marginally rising 20-day EMA and the RSI near 61 indicate the bulls have the upper hand. This positive view will invalidate if the pair breaks the 20-day EMA support. Such a move will suggest traders are dumping their positions, and that could pull the price down to the 50-day simple moving average of $1. Now let's go look at the live charts. All right, so here we have the live chart for XRP, and that was the May 2nd candle we talked about. This was yesterday's candle, the doji, and then this is today's candle. It did have a rundown, but today's candle has only been active for an hour and a half. It had this rundown from $1.55 all the way to $1.40. But as you guys can see, we called this out, last week we were talking about this zone right here, because this is a price sensitivity zone. Whenever price gets here, it either rejects down, or oftentimes it bounces right here, rejected down, right here, it rejected down, finally broke through. Now it came down and tested that spot. This also, if you wanted to use a line, we can do a horizontal line here. This is acting as a major support and resistance, right? So here was resistance, came down, broke, resistance, broke, came up, resistance, broke up, and now it's a support. We just want to make sure this does not break below that. They're talking about $1, which is way down here. But right now, as long as we don't break this support line in this zone and break that sensitivity zone, we should be fine for this to continue its up move. So it's looking, in my opinion, it's looking good. We're still on a up call. So we're on a daily, right? So this was our buy signal that came in from one of my indicators. That's still strong. It has not flipped to the sell signal yet. On the daily, let's go look at the 4-hour. So the 4-hour ribbon is still in a very strong long trend, as it's calling here. It did come down and tap that support line that we talked about just a few minutes ago. It's turning back up. Now our indicator is in a sell signal here for the 4-hour. So we got to keep that in mind. But if this can just rebound off of this here, because it hit this line, a lot of times that's the dip, right? So that's where people are buying at. That's the signal. So you can see all this movement right here. It's in that same zone, right? All of this section right here, it's just up and down, up and down, up and down. That's a price that that's where everyone's fighting each other. It doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to go down, came down, just tapped it. So we need to see a rebound off of that level there. Let's go take a look at the Vortex score. All right, so here is the XRP Vortex score. We got a 53. We're currently at $1.47 live price. And as you can see on the 7-day, it's been riding green for quite some time, and then it turned orange for the last couple of days. So that turned orange way back on May 1st. And then the last couple of days, it's been riding down. And obviously that is with that bad news when it came out 2 days ago that they were about to dump a bunch of XRP on the market. That can scare the crap out of people, right? So if you're an investor and all of a sudden your coin is not gonna be worth as much as it was, it scares people. Volume is at 67 billion. XRP is currently the 4th on the market cap list. So you got right now market capitalization, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have BNB, and then you have XRP. Today's volume is down 100%. So today's trading, which just started, is only at 9 billion. So it is down. Tweets are down as far as that goes. So last couple of days, negative momentum, negative news, scores down, but now it bounced off of that support. We need to see if the bulls can get back in the game and push that price back up to the upside. All right, guys, that is XRP for the day. XRP Army. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there. I am winning, and so are you. Hey, don't forget to pick up your I am winning merch. Get yourself a hat. You are a winner. Go get yourself a hat, a t-shirt, coffee mug, phone case, iamwinningstore.com, iamwinningstore.com. Support the channel. Thank you guys. Talk to you later.